Important reminder. When setting up and operating the insulin pump system for the first time, it must be done under the guidance of a doctor or a professional. Please consult your doctor for the parameters you need. Replacing the reservoir or battery. The portable controller and the app controller have essentially the same interface. The subsequent demonstration will use the app controller. When you need to replace the reservoir or battery, click More. Replace RESV or BAT on the main interface. And follow the reminders to complete the operation. Disconnect the infusion set from the body. Tear off the baseplate and paste a new baseplate. Choose a new infusion site. Paste a new baseplate or implant a new infusion needle holder. Caution: subsequent operations are not allowed without the reservoir installed. Click Act. Assemble the fully charged battery and the reservoir filled with insulin with the pump. After the assembly is completed, please click Next. Press or click Prime until droplets discharge from the needle, and then click Next. Caution: please do not install the connector onto the infusion needle holder until priming is completed. Install the insulin pump to the baseplate or insert the connector into the infusion needle holder. When it is completed, click Next. Select the length of the soft cannula you are using, and then click Exhaust. The insulin will fill the soft cannula. After the soft cannula is exhausted, the normal basal before the replacement of the reservoir will be running. Caution: if a low priority alarm such as low reservoir, pump low power occurs when replacing the reservoir, please click Act in the alarm pop-up interface to continue the replacement. If a high priority alarm, such as no reservoir, pump blocked, pump air, pump no power occurs when replacing the reservoir, please click Act in the alarm pop-up interface to stop the replacement of the reservoir and return to the More interface.